Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of convenient and healthy baby food preparation with the BEABA Babycook Solo 4-in-1 baby food maker. This all-in-one machine is the first and best-selling baby food maker globally, designed to steam cook, blend, defrost, and reheat your baby's meals in under 20 minutes without the need for pots, pans, or microwaves. With a large 4.5 cup capacity, it can prepare up to 27 servings in one go, making it perfect for weekly meal preps and ensuring your baby gets only the freshest ingredients. The Babycook's elevated steam basket ensures true steam cooking, minimizing nutrient loss, and you can even use the leftover water as puree stock to control the consistency of your blends. Its user-friendly design includes an auto shut-off timer and a unique one-handed operation, allowing you to multitask effortlessly while holding your baby. Safety is paramount with the Babycook, featuring a safety lock design and a Triton bowl, which is BPA, lead, and phthalate-free, and certified safe by top international food safety authorities. Join us in making healthy homemade baby food a breeze with the BEABA Babycook Solo, the ultimate addition to your baby essentials. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.